Good morning students. Today we will be solving another question related to income and expenditure account. In this particular question, we are given first of all balance BD, that is the cash or bank balance, entrance fee, subscription, legacy, life membership fee and surplus from event. In the payment side, we are given rent, wages, electricity charges, honorarium, books, office expenses, fixed deposit and then cash balance closing. You know that we have to convert receipts and payment account into income and expenditure account. In income and expenditure account, we include only the revenue items which are related to the current accounting year. So there are certain items which will not be transferred to the income and expenditure account. Opening and closing cash balance will not be recorded in the income and expenditure account. Fixed deposit, that will not be recorded, but the interest thereon, that will be recorded. Books, it is also an asset, that's why it cannot be transferred. Life membership fee, it is also considered as a capital item, that is why it will not be recorded. Now we are given certain adjustments. The club purchased books worth rupees 2 lakh and furniture worth rupees 85,000 at the beginning of the year. Subscription in arrear beginning of the year rupees 3500, at the end of the year that is 4500. 6 months rent is outstanding 1400 rupees per month at the beginning as well as at the end. Now we have to charge depreciation on furniture rupees 5000 and on books rupees 11,300. Let us see which items will not be recorded in income and expenditure account. We have already discussed that cash balance will not be recorded, capital items will not be recorded. We are given here that 6 month rent is outstanding at the beginning as well as at the end. So current year's amount will be added and last year's amount will be deducted. Then we are given here subscription. Subscription in arrear at the end of the accounting year, that is 4500. 4500 will be added and 3500 related to the last year, that is why it will be deducted. Let us see. First of all, we'll have to record here all the expenditures. We will record rent plus 8400 rupees related to the current year. 8400 will be deducted, which is related to the last year. Wages rupees 24,500. Electricity charges rupees 7200. Honorarium rupees 43,500. 45,000 rupees office expenses. Depreciation on furniture rupees 5,000 and depreciation on books rupees 11,300. This is given in the adjustment. Now entrance fee will be recorded as 25,500 rupees. Subscription will be recorded as rupees 1,60,000. Current year's amount will be added, which is outstanding, and last year's amount will be deducted. It is always considered that the last year's amount was received during the current accounting year. That is why it is deducted. Legacy, we are given 16,500. Profit from entertainment event and then interest on FD. Interest on fixed deposit will have to calculate here. We are given the investment as well as the rate and date. So accordingly we have to calculate the amount. This 1200 will be recorded as accrued interest on fixed deposit. Now we have to find out the total of both the sides, and then the surplus will be calculated. Surplus is the difference between the income and expenditure. When the income is in excess over expenditure, then it is considered as surplus. Now let's see how to calculate the opening capital fund. All the opening assets are added and all the opening liabilities are deducted to find out the opening capital fund. Here we are given cash rupees 31,900 at the beginning of the year. Furniture we are given 85,000. Books we are given 2 lakh, and outstanding subscription we are given 3,500 for the last year. Outstanding rent we are given 8,400. Here there will be no depreciation charged because it is charged at the end of the accounting year. Now outstanding rent will be deducted from the total of asset side, and then we will get 3,12,000 rupees. That is the capital fund. The difference between the assets and the liability will be considered as capital fund. Now we have to prepare the balance sheet, closing balance sheet. In closing balance sheet will include all the assets and all the liabilities. Closing balance of cash will be recorded first of all. Outstanding subscription for current year, that is 4,500. Then books we are given. We had at the beginning of the year books worth rupees 2 lakh. We purchased additional books worth rupees 21,300. So the total amount of the books were rupees 2 lakh 21,300 minus depreciation 11,300. So the net amount will be recorded as 2 lakh 10,000. Then we are given FD, fixed deposit, 80,000 plus accrued interest 81,200. Furniture we are given rupees 85,000 and depreciation 5,000 will be deducted. So the net amount will be 80,000 recorded. Now in the liability side, outstanding rent 8,400 will be recorded. Life membership fee, that is also a liability. Then capital fund we are given 3,12,000. Subscription for the current year, that is 56,500 will be added. Total of both the sides will be equal, and this way the question will be solved. Thank you, students.